Is one drill. Any drill will work. This is a brand new 5/16 auger bit, a few toothpicks, and a fine grater. And for the ingredients, 1 package of mini potatoes, some cheddar cheese, and 1 package of bacon sliced in half. Get your barbecue set up for indirect cooking. Place the cooking grate on this barbecue. It can be adjusted on 3 levels. Leave it right in the middle. Let your barbecue preheat to 325 degrees. Now the fun part. Take one of the little mini potatoes. I like to do this over the sink. Just start it with your drill. Drill a hole straight through. This is just cold water with a little bit of salt. Drop them in there so they don't turn brown. Go through, get this done in a couple minutes. Next, take one of the mini potatoes out of the water, give it a little shake. With the hole, place your finger behind it, just start stuffing it with cheese. And when you feel it on the back side with your finger, just wipe off the excess. Go on to the next one. All the mini potatoes are stuffed with cheese, looking good. Next, take half a strip of bacon, a toothpick, wrap it around so it's covering the holes that we drilled in. Stretch it out nice and tight. And just pin it down with a toothpick. Go through, get the rest of these done. Drilled potatoes all prepped and ready. Let's go get them on the barbecue. Place on a couple chunks of apple wood for a little bit of smoke. Then just take the drilled potatoes, place them on the void side of the cooker. Get them all on. Shut the lid. Let them cook for half an hour. We'll come back and take a peek. Now let's take a peek. These are looking delicious. Take your favorite barbecue sauce. Just place them right in. Give them a good coating. Get them back on the grill. All sauced up, shut the lid for about 5 minutes. Let these get nice and sticky. After 5 minutes, these are looking done. Let's take them off, get them plated up. Check those out. Let's cut one open and take a peek. Perfect, you can see that drill mark. Cheese is still in there. Potatoes cooked and wrapped in bacon. Quality assurance.